Hello and welcome to this AgriData Inc. tutorial video. In this video, we'll be discussing how to add a company logo to appear on your Surety and Surety Pro maps within your account. This can be easily done by using our Upload Logo interface. To access this, we can go to the Tools dropdown once you're logged into your account. Go to Options and then Manage Logo. The logo upload interface will appear and we'll have a few different options. So the Force Company Logo checkbox is to make sure that the logo that you upload applies to every single location within your account. If you do not use it, you can upload different logos to different locations so that a different logo will be used for each location that is being accessed. The logo requirements, so we do ask that you upload a PNG, JPEG, or a GIF file, and the resolution that we suggest is 400 by 150 pixels or something within that same aspect ratio. Just note that if it is narrower, we will not stretch the logo. It will be sized to the same aspect ratio as the original file. Once you're ready to upload your logo, you can click on Choose File and browse for your logo in your computer files. Go ahead and pick one and upload it and hit Save. It'll give you a preview of your logo, and at this point your logo has been added to your account. You can always remove your logo by coming back to this interface and hitting Remove Logo. Otherwise, you can get to the different options page by clicking other options, or when you're finished, click Done. To see what we've done here, we can click on Map to generate. So our FSA map has been generated. We can see that our company logo now appears above the Surety logo in the lower left corner. The logo will appear at different areas depending on which type of map or report that you're using. If you have any questions or need any help with your company logo, resizing it or making it fit, please feel free to reach out to the AgriData Inc. support team. Thank you.